Tuesday, October 11th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East, and sort of a wet scenario for us today, tonight, and into parts of at least Wednesday morning as well. Just a fetch of very deep tropical moisture feeding right on into the area, and the result will be periods of rain over the next 24 hours or so. Let me show you the radar imagery this morning, and even though this is not a radar loop, I'll tell you that all the action basically moving from south to north. And what we will see is while it won't rain all day, we will have these waves of rain moving through from south to north, kind of feeding around an area of low pressure that's centered over North Florida. Temperatures are as warm as they're going to be in the Piedmont today, and we'll have temperatures just holding steady, maybe even dropping into the upper 50s in some spots if the rain can be steady enough. Sort of a cold air damming scenario. The winds out of the northeast across the entire region, and with the northeast winds, clouds, rain at times, temperatures are just not going to be able to go anywhere today. And the result will be kind of a cool, occasionally breezy day. Could see some winds gusting this afternoon and this evening to 25 miles per hour plus in some areas. Here's the upper air chart, a little piece of upper level energy being picked up and moved into the region today, and that's helping to drive these rain chances. Now, as we get into Thursday, pretty good upper-level trough swings through. That'll drive a cold front through, which will set us up for just some fantastic weather over the weekend. Kind of a broad trough in place this weekend, but no precip chances over the weekend. We'll see sunshine and highs in the 70s, lows in the 40s. Really nice weekend weather. But look what happens next week. I think we're gearing up for maybe a big blast of chilly air later on next week. There's the European model by 8 a.m. Thursday next week, the 20th of October, and the GFS is in pretty good agreement. In fact, there's the day 8 to 10 average of the European on the left, GFS model on the right, and you're looking at a nice full latitude trough of the eastern part of the country, and that will bring probably the chilliest air so far this season by mid to late next week. All right, day by day. Today we'll have rain at times, temperatures hovering in the low 60s in a lot of Piedmont locations through the day. Tomorrow, I think some rain possible in the morning, but probably mainly dry during the afternoon. And then we see that cold front approaching later Thursday. So showers, a couple thunderstorms later Thursday, but then we are in great shape for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Just beautiful conditions, highs in the 70s, a lot of lows in the 40s. All right, here we go to next work week. This is Tuesday evening, that sharp cold front approaching, and then here's how it looks by Thursday morning. We'll have a chance of some showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms Wednesday with the frontal passage, and then here we are Thursday morning. That is chilly. That's the freezing line up at 850 millibars, plunging to the south of much of the region. Now, that may be overdone, but you just get the idea that a pretty good shot of chilly air is coming by Thursday and Friday of next week. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching today's edition of the video. Have a great day, stay dry, and God bless.